India is growing fast, but major industries are stuck in the past with manual work and slow decisions costing companies. Five industries need smart AI adoption with Wority. In banking and financial services, processes are heavy with endless paperwork, slow loan approvals, high fraud risk, and poor personalization. Wority helps reduce human load, cut costs, and make financial decisions faster and safer. For logistics and supply chain, unpredictable routes, delayed deliveries, and inventory guesswork cause issues like fuel wastage. AI is needed for fleet routing, predictive ETA engines, and warehouse automation. Wority turns chaotic supply chains into predictable, efficient systems. In manufacturing, factories run on intuition with machines breaking without warning and quality issues unnoticed. AI is needed for predictive maintenance, computer vision for quality control, and IoT analytics. Wority connects machines, data, and decision makers to reduce loss and increase throughput. Healthcare faces overcrowded hospitals, delayed diagnosis, and scattered records. AI can assist with AI imaging, smart triage, and automated workflows. Wority builds clinical decision tools and patient management systems that bring breathability back into healthcare. In agriculture, farmers rely on experience instead of real-time data, leading to crop losses and water mismanagement. AI can help with drone crop monitoring, smart irrigation, and weather prediction. Wority enables agri-tech companies with decision engines and predictive tools that protect farmers and improve yield. India needs smarter systems, faster decisions, and technology that works quietly. Wority is building AI and automation for industries that matter. If you are part of these sectors, now is the right time to future-proof your operations.